Welcome to Travel Tons, where adventurous people go. A place where you can find travel ideas. 10 places to have an adventure in Pakistan. Number 10. Fishing in Deosai Plains. Deosai and Shandur Lake form one of the highest elevation freshwater wetlands in the world. Deosai is the combination of two words Deo, giant, and Sai, shadow. For centuries, it is believed that this place is haunted by giants. Thus the name, the land of the giants, came into being. Imagine yourself fishing in the highest elevation of freshwater wetlands. The piece here allows you to slow your world. Number 9. Rock climbing at Ladyfinger Peak. If you are a rock climber who seeks another rock to climb, then this is for you. Ladyfinger Peak Akabablimaton is a needle-shaped peak on the south ridge of Hunza Peak. The Ladyfinger Peak, 6,000 meters, is one of the most recognized rock climbing places in Pakistan. Challenging trekking. Soaring peak, known for its dramatic rock spire, necessitate extensive expertise, strength, and stamina. Number 8. Skiing in Malam Jabba. If you are a ski enthusiast, then this is for you. Malam Jabba is home to one of the 2 ski resorts in Pakistan. Malam Jabba is a hill station and ski resort. The Malam Jabba Ski Resort, owned by Pakistan Tourism Development Corporation, has a ski slope of about 800 meters, with the highest point of the slope, 2804 meters, 9,200 feet, above sea level. Number 7. Shandur Polo Festival. If you love sports, trekking, camping and cannot get over with horses, then this is for you. By trekking, you will explore Pakistan mountain paths, and you will witness the highest polo festival in the world. Shandur Polo Festival is a sports festival held annually from 7th to 9th July in Shandur Polo Ground, Geyser, Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. The tournament is held at Shandur Top, which is the world's highest polo ground at an altitude of 3,700 meters. The pass itself is at 3,800 meters. The festival also includes folk music, dancing, and a camping village is set up. Number 6. K2 Mountain Expedition. If you are a mountain climber who seeks heights and another challenge to conquer, then this is for you. K2 is the second highest mountain in the world, 8611 meters. K2 climb is one of the answers for extreme explorers. The peak has now been climbed by almost all of its ridges. Although the summit of Everest is at a higher altitude, K2 is a more difficult and dangerous climb, due in part to its more inclement weather. Number 5. Swat River Expedition. If you love rafting, canoeing, or kayaking, then this is for you. The Swat River is a perennial river in the northern region of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, Pakistan. Fed by melting snow and glaciers and receiving the drainage of the entire SWT River Valley, the river flows southward, then westward, until joined by the Panchkora River, an important tourist destination in northern Pakistan for its scenic beauty, and former stronghold of the ancient Gandhara region, with numerous ancient Buddhist sites scattered through the region. Number 4. Khanpur Dam Adventure. If you love heights, waterfront view, and picnic, then this is for you. Khanpur Dam is a dam located on the Haro River in Khanpur, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, about 50 kilometers from Islamabad. The blue-green water of dam attracts hundreds of tourists from all over the Pakistan. Every week, between 40,000 to 50,000 tourists visit Khanpur Dam. Tourists enjoy various ground and water-based activities, such as parasailing, scuba diving, cliff jumping, jet skiing, family boating, kayaking, zip lining, camping, and wake tubing. Number 3. Cycling from Karakoram Highway, Hunza to China. If you are a cyclist, then this is for you. Karakoram Highway is a 1,300 kilometers, 810 mi, national highway. Bicycling on the world's highest paved road is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, due to its high elevation and the difficult conditions under which it was constructed. It is often referred to as the 8th wonder of the world. The road has given mountaineers and cyclists easier access to the many high mountains, glaciers, and lakes in the area. Number 2. Hunza Valley Adventure. If you like mountains and trekking, then this is for you. Hunza Valley is a mountainous valley in the northern part of the Gilgit-Baltistan region of Pakistan. This valley is famous for its mountains, snow-capped and rugged. Hunza is one of the most exotic places in Pakistan. Several high peaks rise above 7,000 meters in the surroundings of Hunza Valley. Number 1. Snorkeling on Charna Island. If you love scuba diving, then this is for you. Charna Island is a small, uninhabited island located in the Arabian Sea, about 9 kilometers, 5.6 mi, west of the mouth of the hub river called Manjur Beach. The area surrounding Charna is popular for scuba diving, because of the presence of widely varied marine life and different kinds of coral reef. Tourists' activities in this island are as scuba diving, freediving, underwater photography, hiking, speed boating, kneeboarding, wakasurfing, banana tubing, jet skiing, cliff diving. Have you learned anything new? Where would you want to go? We make a list of ideas, guides, and recommendations for traveling. For more videos and support, click the subscribe button. Thank you.